We work in short-term rentals and holiday rentals, and our sector's sometimes seen as a bit cowboyish, the whole Airbnb market and all these types of things. So one of the things that I did early days was get involved in setting up the industry association and working with government to set the standards for our industry, and then leading the way. So being the first to be accredited in the UK, and those types of things, getting an insurance policy backed by Lloyd's of London. Being clear from the outset of what our standards were. Sometimes that meant that we saw competitors growing quicker than us, but then also collapsing and some of them going bankrupt. So, it's one of these things of having your clear strategy, knowing what it is, knowing who you are and sticking to that, because it sometimes might not always mean that you're the quickest to grow, but you're clear about who you are, you're building a brand, you're building a reputation, and then over time, the opportunities start coming in a much bigger way. I think access to capital is of course one of the things that we all talk about. And I think for us, that has also been an interesting one. We've gone down the route of angels and family offices rather than the VC route, because we really wanted strategic capital. So we wanted people who had an interest in the property and the hospitality markets where we come from, so that we would gain access to new clients and new opportunities off of the back of investment, rather than just cash. But I think, as our tech arm grows and everything else, then looking at that institutional capital and VCs may also be something that we look at in the future. It's about choosing the right opportunities at the right time, and also being prepared to evolve those strategies as you go.